Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cozy English Podcast, where learning English feels calm and easy. I'm Sophie.
Hi, Sophie. Hi, everyone. Sorry, just 1 second.
Mike, are you okay? You sound out of breath.
Yeah, I'm fine. I just ran here from the park.
You ran? Why?
I was walking my neighbor's dog, and I lost track of time, and then I realized our podcast starts in 2 minutes.
So you ran all the way here with the dog?
No, I dropped the dog off first, but yes, I ran.
Mike, you should plan better.
I know, but the park was so nice today. Sunny, people everywhere, kids playing. I just got distracted.
Well, I'm glad you made it. And you know what?
What?
You just gave us the perfect introduction to today's topic.
I did?
Yes, parks, being outdoors, meeting people, small talk in casual situations.
Oh, that's true. I actually talked to 3 different people at the park today.
Perfect. So today we're talking about small talk outdoors, at parks, outdoor events, farmers markets, anywhere outside.
This is such a practical topic. Everyone goes outside.
Exactly, and outdoor settings are perfect for casual conversations.
Let's teach everyone how to chat naturally.
Let's do it. Mike, why do you think it's easier to start conversations outdoors?
Well, people are more relaxed outside, not rushing like in the city.
Exactly. In a park or at an outdoor event, people have time. They're there to enjoy themselves.
And there's always something to comment on. The weather, dogs, kids playing.
Right. Shared environment gives you natural conversation starters.
So it's less awkward than approaching someone on the street.
Much less awkward. People expect friendly interaction outdoors. The easiest small talk topic outdoors is always the weather.
Oh yes, beautiful day, isn't it? I hear this all the time.
It's the safest opener. Lovely weather today. What a gorgeous day. Perfect day to be outside.
Beautiful afternoon, isn't it?
Perfect. Notice you add "isn't it" at the end.
So it's not just a statement, it's a conversation starter.
Exactly. The other person will agree and maybe add something.
Nice and sunny today, isn't it?
Great. And if the weather is bad, at least the rain stopped. Windy today. Bit chilly, but nice.
Cold for this time of year.
Yes, perfect. Weather is universal. Everyone can relate.
Sophie, talking about dogs is so easy. Dog owners love talking about their dogs.
That's true. What do you say?
Today I said, "What a cute dog. What breed is it?"
Perfect opener. People love when you notice their pets.
How old is he? What's his name? Is he friendly?
Great questions, and dog owners will tell you everything.
True. One person told me her dog's entire life story.
That's very common. You can also compliment. She's so well behaved. He's beautiful.
Your dog is so energetic.
Yes, and if you have a dog too, you can bond over that. Oh, I have a golden retriever too. But always ask, "Can I pet him?" before touching. Don't assume.
Very important. Safety first.
If you see parents watching their kids play, you can make friendly comments.
Like what?
They're having so much fun. Kids have so much energy. What a great playground.
So you comment on the situation, not the children specifically.
Exactly. Keep it general and positive.
It's great to see kids playing outside these days.
Perfect. That's a nice observation. Parents usually agree. You can also ask about the park. Do you come here often? Is this playground usually this busy?
Do you live nearby?
Yes, friendly and not too personal.
What about outdoor events, like concerts, markets, festivals?
Great settings for small talk. Everyone's there for the same reason.
So you have common ground.
Exactly. At a concert, you can say, "Great music. Do you know this band? Have you been to this venue before?"
The sound is really good.
Yes. At a farmer's market, these tomatoes look amazing. Do you shop here every week? Have you tried the bread from that stall?
Oh, I love farmers markets.
At a festival, this is my first time here. The atmosphere is great. Are you from around here?
Have you tried the food trucks?
Perfect. You're engaging about this shared experience. If you see someone doing an activity, jogging, cycling, painting, you can comment on that.
What should I say?
To a jogger, nice day for a run. To a cyclist, great bike. To someone painting, that's beautiful. Do you come here to paint often?
Love the view here for photography.
Yes. If someone is doing your hobby too, you have instant common ground.
Like, if I see someone with a camera, I can talk about photography?
Exactly. Great light today for photos. What are you shooting? Do you come here often to photograph?
Shared interest makes conversation easy. What if someone looks lost or confused?
Perfect opportunity for helpful small talk. Can I help you find something? Are you looking for something specific?
Are you visiting the area?
Good. If you're local, you can offer tips. There's a great coffee shop just around the corner. The best view is from the top of that hill.
If you're hungry, there's a good food truck near the entrance.
Perfect. Helpful and friendly.
People appreciate local knowledge.
They do, and it starts a nice conversation. Now, Mike, what if someone starts small talk with you? How do you respond?
I usually just agree. Yes, beautiful day. Yes, he's very friendly.
That's good, but you can extend the conversation by adding something.
Like what?
Instead of just yes, say, yes, I've been waiting all week for nice weather like this.
So I add a personal comment.
Exactly. Yes, beautiful day, perfect for being outside. Or, yes, he's friendly. He loves meeting people.
Yes, this park is lovely. I come here every weekend.
Perfect. That invites more conversation.
Sophie, outdoor small talk is usually short, right? Not a long conversation.
Usually, most outdoor small talk is just a few exchanges.
So I don't need to plan a whole conversation.
Exactly. A few friendly sentences is perfect. Nice dog. Thanks. His name is Max. Have a great day. You too.
That's manageable.
The key is being friendly without overstaying. Read the signals. If they keep talking, continue. If they seem to want to move on, wrap it up.
So be aware of body language.
Yes, if they start walking away, end with enjoy your day or take care.
Nice chatting with you.
Perfect ending. Mike, we should mention that small talk culture varies by country.
That's true. In some countries, people are very chatty with strangers. In others, it's less common.
Exactly. In the US, Canada, UK, Australia, outdoor small talk is very normal.
But in some countries, people might find it strange if a stranger talks to them.
Right. So if you're traveling, observe the local culture.
And if someone doesn't engage, don't take it personally.
Exactly. They might not be used to small talk with strangers.
Cultural differences are okay.
Mike, tell us about the 3 people you talked to at the park today.
Okay, first, a woman with a golden retriever. I said, beautiful dog, and we talked for 5 minutes about dogs.
Classic dog conversation.
Then a man jogging. He stopped to catch his breath near me, and I said, nice day for a run. He said, perfect weather, and we talked about running routes in the park.
Great. And the 3rd?
An elderly lady feeding birds. I said, they're so friendly, and she told me she comes every day to feed them. We talked about the different birds in the park.
How lovely. Those are perfect examples. Natural, friendly, brief conversations.
And I felt good after each one. Small talk is nice.
It is. It makes you feel connected to your community. Let's practice some quick outdoor small talk scenarios. I'll start one, you respond naturally.
Okay.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
It really is. I've been looking forward to sunny weather all week.
Me too. Perfect day to be outside.
Absolutely. Enjoy your day.
You too. Good. Now you start one about a dog.
What a cute dog. What's his name?
This is Charlie. He's a rescue.
Oh, how wonderful. He's very well behaved.
Thank you. We've been working on his training.
It shows. Have a great walk.
Thanks. You too. See everyone? Just a few exchanges, friendly tone, and you're done.
Simple and pleasant.
Let's learn polite ways to end outdoor small talk.
What should I say?
Well, I should keep moving. I won't keep you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great walk.
It was nice chatting with you.
Perfect. Take care. See you around. Enjoy the weather.
I'll let you get back to it.
Great. These are all friendly ways to conclude.
So I'm polite but clear that I'm ending the conversation.
Exactly. No awkwardness.
You know, Sophie, I actually feel happier after those park conversations. Even just a 2-minute conversation makes the day brighter. And it's good English practice, too.
Great practice. Low pressure, real conversations.
I'm going to try to do this more often.
You should. Let's review the most useful outdoor small talk phrases.
Yes.
Weather. Beautiful day, isn't it? Perfect weather for being outside.
Dogs. What a cute dog. What breed is it? Can I pet him?
Activities. Nice day for a run. Great spot for painting. Love this park.
Events. Great music. Have you been here before? The atmosphere is wonderful.
Ending. Enjoy your day. Have a great walk. Nice chatting with you.
These work in so many situations.
They really do. Everyone, we hope this episode encourages you to try outdoor small talk.
Tell us, have you ever had a nice random conversation outside? Where was it?
Share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories.
And next time you're at a park or outdoor event, try saying, "Beautiful day, isn't it?"
You might be surprised how friendly people are.
You really might.
Actually, Mike, it is a beautiful day today. Look at that sunshine.
You're right. It's gorgeous.
We should go for a walk right now.
But I just ran from the park. I'm tired.
Come on, just a short walk, fresh air.
Okay, a short walk.
Yes, let's go. We can practice our outdoor small talk.
We literally just taught this lesson.
Exactly. Perfect timing. Well, everyone, we're going to practice what we preach.
We're going outside to enjoy the day.
You should too.
Thanks for listening.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye.